इंग्रजवाडो मारना शिवोले दोगा जाणट्या बायलांचो खून जालो. ह्या प्रकरणात हणजुणे पुलिसेन 2 दुबावितांक अटक केल्या. वेरा लोबो आनी मार्था लोबो ह्या बायलांचो खून जाला. गोवा 365 खातीर शिवोलीच्यान संदीप कामोलकार.
पूनम पांडेचे केशीत चापोली धरणावेल्या ज्या कर्मचाऱ्यांक निलंबित केल्यात तांच्या निलंबनाचो आदेश फाटीं घेवचो गाकुवेत संघटनेन मागणी केल्या. हे विशीं तांणी उदका स्रोत खात्याचो मंत्री फिलीप नेरी रॉड्रिगीसाक निवेदनय दिला. पळयात.
आयज म्हणजे घराक फर्स्ट टायम येयला रेप्रेझेंटेशन घेवन तेचे समाजाचे जे लोक आमी वॉटर रिसोर्सान सस्पेन्शन दवरल्या ती इन्क्वायरी तेजेर बेगीन कारवाय करची आनी बेगीन तेंचें सस्पेन्शन लिफ्ट करचें. पूण बरोबरली तेमी सांगलां की तेचो गुन्यांव ना. त्यांनी एक्सप्लेन केला. तर बसत हांवें तांकां एश्युरन्स दिला की आमचे इन्क्वायरी ऑफिसर अपॉयंट केल्या डिपार्टमेंटल इन्क्वायरी कंडक्ट करपाक. तांकां हांव रिक्वेस्ट करतलो की जाता तितले बेगीन ती इन्क्वायरी काबार करपाक आनी पुटअप करपाक तो रिपोर्ट गव्हर्मेंटाक येतलो. आमकां येयले म्हणटकीर आमी सीएमाक धाडून तेजेर डिसिजन घेतले. पूण हांवें तांकां तेंय सांगलां की जरी तर तांकां दिसता तेंचेर अन्याय जाल्यार तुमी टॉलरेट करचे कित्याक दे आर पार्ट ऑफ माय डिपार्टमेंट. दे हॅव टू कॉपरेट इन इन्वेस्टिगेशन आनी आमी तेंचेर कशें हें घेवपाक म्हणजे तेंचे तरी सगळें सारकें आहा. दे आर क्लियर इन दियर ड्युटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. कसली भिरांत ना तांकां. द क्वेश्चन दे सेड they have been asked to report to the office एक दीस बऱ्या थिंग बसपाक पडटा आनी थिंगा बसून कितें करतले दॅट इज अ पनिशमेंट हे थिंग जाताले तेंय हांव क्लॅरिफाय करता वेदर दे आर अंडर पनिशमेंट ऑर वेदर दे आर अंडर इन्क्वायरी.
म्हणजे विदीन 8 days तूं तांकां
8 दीस अशें न्हू. ते आसता खंयचे इन्क्वायरी ऑफिसराक ताका
टायम
दिल्लो आसता. म्हाका आतां ऑलरेडी 7 days 8 दीस जाले. सो तेजेर हांव आतां फॉलोअप करता सांगता आनी टायम वेस्ट करनाका.
बेगीच्या
ताबडतोब तेंची इन्क्वायरी रिपोर्ट कंप्लीट करा सरकाराक सबमीट कर.
तुमकां खबर आसतलें 31 तारखेक जो एक व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाल्लो पूनम पांडेचो जो व्हिडिओ चापोली डॅमार थंय शूट केल्लो आनी ह्या व्हिडिओक लागून 6 WRD स्टाफ ऑफ चापोली डॅमाचे तांकां सस्पेंड केल्लो. आनी हे दिसा बद्दल आमी एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर पाटिलाकय मेळ्ळे आनी ताका आमी घेराव घातलो त्या दिसा आनी तेणी आमकां सांगलें की आपूण तें इमिडिएट सस्पेन्शन रिवोक करता म्हणून. सो आमी वाट पळयली थंय आतां ऑलमोस्ट 8 दीस जाले ताका मेळोन. सो अजुनूय तेजेर कांय फुडें एक्शन जावं ना. ताका लागून आज मिनिस्टराक आमी मुद्दाम अपॉयंटमेंट घेवन आमचें डेलिगेशन मेळ्ळें आनी आमी मिनिस्टराक आमी सगळें ब्रीफ केलें. जो इन्सिडेंट जो जाल्लो तो 6:30 ते 8:30 ह्या दरम्यान जाल्लो आनी जे लोक सस्पेंड केल्ले जे WRD डिपार्टमेंटान जे काम करताले आनी ते टॅक्निकल स्टाफ आसा पंप अटेंडंट आसा तितले 5 जाण पंप अटेंडंट आसा एक सुपरवायझर आसलो केला. सो ते आमी मिनिस्टराक सांगलें. मिनिस्टरान आमचे आयकोन घेतलें. तशेंच 7 ह्युमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे सेक्युरिटी गार्ड काम करताले तांकांय डेली तांकां सतावणूक केल्ली वता. डेली तांकां पोलीस स्टेशनार येवन रिपोर्टिंग करपाक लायता. तांकां उदक दिना, तांकां ट्रान्सपोर्ट ना, तांकां जेवण दिना.
आज मिनिस्टरान कितें सांगलें तुमकां कितें
मिनिस्टरान आमकां कितें सांगलां की आपूण डिपार्टमेंटल इन्क्वायरी करता. ताबडतोब आतां वचून तांणी इमिडिएट आपूण कन्सर्न तो एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर आनी चीफ इंजिनियर आनी SC जो सुप्रिटेंडंट ऑफ इंजिनियर आसा तेजे कडेन आपूण वचून ते इन्क्वायरी करता आनी डिपार्टमेंटान इन्क्वायरी करून इमिडिएटली तेंचे सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर रिवोक करता म्हणून आमकां आश्वासन दिल्लें.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान रमेश नायक रावत.
आमकां वेस्टर्न बायपास रोड जाय पण तो आमची शेतां भाटां माड्डोवन नाका. ते खातीर उड्डाण पूल बांदात. बाणावलेकारांचो एकवट संघटनेन सरकारा कडेन मागला. सरकाराच्या ह्या गंभीर विशया कडेन लक्ष ओडपा खातीर लोकांक बरोबर घेवन हे संघटनेन सरकार पूल बांदपाक सोदता त्या वाठारांत जागृताय करपी कॅन्डल रॅली काडली. विरोध करूनय सरकारान ते कडेन आडनदर चलयल्या. देखून सेव्ह अवर विलेज फ्रॉम डिस्ट्रक्शन अशे बॅनर हातात घेवन आनी तश्यो घोशणा दीत बाणावलेकारांनी वाठार गाजयलो. बाणावलेकार म्हणटात वेस्टर्न बायपास रोडाक आमचो विरोध ना. हो रस्तो येवचो अशें आमकांय दिसता पूण आमची शेतां पिकावळ आनी वोलो वाठार माड्डून आनी इबाडून हो रस्तो व्हेल्लो आमकां नाका. विरोध कित्या खातीर ताचेर उजवाड घालतात पंच वांगडी झेवियर परेरा, आदलो आमदार कायतू डिसिल्वा आनी कन्व्हेनर रॉयला फर्नांडीस. पळयात.
फ्रॉम 2015 ह्या वर्सा सावन आमी हो वेस्टर्न बायपास प्रोजेक्ट ओपोज करीत आयल्या. कित्याक तो वेस्टर्न बायपास जो प्रोजेक्ट आहा तो प्लॅन आमगे वॉटर कॅचमेंट एरिया आनी लो लायन फिल्ड्स आहा हितूंतल्यान प्लॅन केला. आमगे ग्रामसभेन एक रेजोल्युशन पास केलें रिजनल प्लॅन डिस्कस करतना आनी आमी हें स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक फॉरवर्ड केलें की आमकां वेस्टर्न बायपास जायो ऑन स्टिल्ट्स. आनी आज पासून आमगेलो डिमांड टच आसा आनी हायकोर्ट मॅटर आहा थिंगाय हो रेकॉर्ड केलो आसा. सो बेनावली सरावली जो पळय स्ट्रेच आहा हो नॅशनल हायवेन ड्रॉप केला आनी हायकोर्टान तांकां स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक डायरेक्शन दिलें डिटेल प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट रेडी करूं. आज पासून आमगे गव्हर्मेंटान हेजे वयर कांयच केलें ना.
एसेंब्लीन सांगलें हें आमकां नाका म्हणून. तरूय आसतना हांवें लेटर घातलेली गव्हर्मेंटाक म्हणजे बंद करचो म्हणून. इवन गडकरी कडेन उलयता आसतनाय सांगलें हेका आमकां वयल्यान जाय म्हणून. ग्रावंड हें नाका कित्याक आमचें वॉटर स्टोरेज आसा ती ऑलरेडी कवर जाल्ली आसा त्या एरियान. आमकां उदक येता वेर्नासान, सो वेर्नासान बाणाले येवन सगळी स्टोरेज जाता. ताचे उपरांत ती रिवरांत वयता. तर आमी हे गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन पयलेंय मागलेलें आनी गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां आतां इतलो तेंप बंद आसलें हांव आसतना आतां परत स्टार्ट करूंक लागले. तर लोकां कडेन मागतात आमी हे मुखार येवचे आनी हें बंद करचें म्हणून. इवन आमी हांव म्हज्या रिक्वेस्ट प्रमोद सावंताक सालसेतीन आसल्यार हांचो जीव काडून तुमी रस्तो व्हरो नाका म्हणून. कित्याक तांकां तें नॉर्थाक रावन तांकां बोलतें जालां हांगा कितें जाता तें पळयनात ते आनी तांकां पडोवनूय वचोंक ना.
आमी आत पळय केलां तें टील नाव हॅज बीन पीसफूल एंड वी वील बी इन द सेम वे बट द लीगल कोर्स वील बी कमिंग इन टू एक्शन नाव. वी ट्रायड, वी गेव द गव्हर्मेंट एन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट गोईंग इन कोर्ट्स एंड फायटिंग देर. We gave them an opportunity to amend what they are doing. In fact, we have seen that the environment minister was constraining the skills for a certain section. I understand there is investment, but it is very shocking to see that a government waves off 200 and odd crores for casinos, whereas that amount could have been invested in Benawali and you could sustain. Why are they leaving that amount for the casinos? Kitya sodpa jaye? Even if you see in MPT, those Adani and Jindal also still owe the government money. That also you all are leaving, but you cannot put in money for the future generations of Goa. You're leaving them. What is this meaning? I do not want to say that they are giving them, but it is evident by the way they are behaving that the government is favoring the capitalists but not the people. We request that they prioritize people first, then those projects. If you put that money here, then the disaster management cell doesn't have to keep on recurring investments in the years to come. In fact, as Glida has said, why do we need dredging when you're filling here? Put that money here, invest in the streets, we will be safe. We will be grateful to the government if they take this action. Has already written to the panchayat that they are going to start with the work. The villagers on behalf of the children started a movement. The media was present, Goa has witnessed. It was a unique protest where children stood and they requested the government that they want a bypass on stilts. We told the government that we are not against the western bypass being done. We only demanded that instead of filling up land, it should be on stilts. Here, whole issue given, we appealed to the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in November, soon after the protest. And तेजे फाटल्यान the minister directed the Goa State Biodiversity Board to conduct an inspection. The inspection was conducted on 19 December 2019 along with the TCP, the Water Resource Department, the Agriculture Department and the Survey Department. Through RTIs, we have got all the reports from these departments. But till date, even till 15th of November, the Goa Biodiversity Board, neither the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has given us any report. I will share with the press the reports which are given by the TCP, WRD and the Agriculture Department. We connected all these departments because it is just not about filling. We will see that the water bodies are getting destroyed. We see that agriculture, not only at the place where it is going to get filled, Taja Fude, in Wadle Tode, Boyaha, Adsule Tode, all those areas are going to have a effect once this filling starts. So we had all these departments who have written to the Goa State Biodiversity Board that stilts is the only option to save the environment and have a balance.
गोवा 365 खातीर बाणावलेच्यान रमेश नायक रावत. भीमा कोरेगांवचे घडणुकेचो निशेध करपा खातीर लक्ष्मी पुजना दिसा मडगांवां रॅली काडली. नॅशनल कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ ह्युमन रायट्स ऑर्गनायझेशनान हे रॅलीचें आयोजन केल्लें. फटीच्या आरोपा खाला बंदखडीत दवरिल्ल्या 16 जाणांक सोडचे अशें तांणी मागलां. 1 जानेवारी 2018 दिसा महाराष्ट्रांत भिमाच्या विजय स्तंभा कडेन विजय दीस मनोवपा खातीर दलीत समाजाचो लोक व्हड संख्येन एकठांय जाल्लो. पूण थंय दंगल जाली, एकल्याक जीव वगडावचो पडलो. पूण हे दंगलीक जबाबदार धरून सुरेंद्र गडलिंग, सुधीर ढवळे, महेश राऊत, शोमा सेन, रोना विल्सन, वरवरा राव, वर्नन गोन्साल्वीस, अरुण परेरा, सुधा भारद्वाज हांचे बरोबर आनंद तेलतुंबडे, गौतम नवलखा, फादर स्टेन स्वामी हांकांय बंदखणीत दवरल्यात. तांकां सोडयात अशें बरयल्ले पोस्टर हातांत घेवन आनी तशें मागत आंदोलकांनी मेणवात रॅली काडली. कांयच करिनासतना भीमा कोरेगांव दंगल प्रकरणांत फटीचे आरोप घालून ह्या लोकांक भितर उडयल्यात अशें तांचें म्हणणें. पळयात राजेन सोलोमेनानाचें म्हणणें.
On the occasion of Diwali, and if you see the candle lights, it is a way of our protest, because the candle light is like a protest in the darkness. It says to the darkness, we don't agree with the darkness, and therefore we light this light. Today our protest specifically is about the case of the number of people who have been arrested in the Bhima Koregaon case. Today 16 people are held in prison for no fault of their own. There is no crime that they have committed that has been proved, and yet they have been thrown into prison, some for a year, some for 6 months, some for 5 months, and some for less than that, about 2 months. Among them there is one elderly man who is 83 years old, a priest, who is so ill that he cannot hold a glass in his hand, and he has asked for a sipper so that he can drink his water, he can drink his tea. But the court said no, we need 20 days to process this. This is the CBI. This is the problem here. We are seeing a very unjust situation. The whole Bhima Koregaon case also stems from something that happened 200 years ago. 200 years ago, a Dalit army fought the Peshawas and won that war. And it is a matter of celebration for the Dalits every year. But in 2018, it was a very big celebration because it was 200 years after the war had been completed and the Dalits won the war. So a large gathering from around the country came together to celebrate this victory, to celebrate Dalit assertion. And when they came together, there was violence. It is said that there were saffron flags that people were holding up to provoke trouble. And by the next day, there was enough trouble that had taken place. One person was killed, many were injured. Later, they arrested many of the speakers, saying that they were creating provocation. They even accused them of provoking the assassination of the Prime Minister. Now subsequently that has been removed. That has been removed because there was no evidence of that, there was no proof of that, and so they have hushed it up. But the problem here is this, that anybody who is a dissenter, there are people who are in jail for the Bhima Koregaon case who have never been to Bhima Koregaon. They have never even been to that place before in their lives. Today they suddenly find themselves in a case in which they are supposed to have been there on the spot, creating trouble, provoking through their slogans, divisions. They have even been accused of being urban Naxals, which means that they have been told they have connection with the Naxalite movement. This is anything but true. These are people who fight for justice. These are people who are academics. These are people who believe who are social activists and who believe that justice and human rights must prevail, that democracy must prevail, that secularism must prevail. This is all that they are asking for.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेंकार.
Margao municipality is also a heritage building, you can see. So we have discussed with chief officer that how we can, if possible, how we can paint Margao municipality to its original paint. It was painted like, I think it was red and white or red on cream color. So we are trying to do that as well, so that Margao gets its old glory. That's what we intend to propose to do, is that within the limited span of time which is at our disposal, but our priorities would be, first thing is to collect what is outstanding, that is everybody's, because state cannot lose revenue, that is one thing. Second thing is, we all know there is a garbage is an issue, so we are trying to resolve that garbage issue. Third thing is that I have heard or I have read it through local newspapers that the heritage sites like your Loya Maidan and all are not kept properly. So my priority would be to see that there is cleanliness everywhere in the city. Reduction of garbage or scientific treatment of garbage is also one of the priority. So we have discussed and we are trying to resolve this issue by having a win-win situation wherein the person who intends to dispose garbage properly would be given an opportunity to dispose it for a price, for a short fee, you can say, so that our black spots in the city will come down. So that is just within 2-3 months. That is what we are trying to do. Let's see how it works out.